I think it might be a millisecond off, but finally we were trying so hard. Wait, oh my god. Wait, I'm recording, wait. Wait. Okay, I gotta sound manly. Stairs. Hey, chat. I'm gonna. Okay. Dang my nose. I'm gonna be someone from. What was that? Oh. No, I didn't. What are you talking about? I didn't say that. No, I didn't. Oh my, what are you talking about? No, I didn't. Where's the area? Hey, I ain't gay. Wait. No. I forgot him. I know this looks so familiar. Wait. What was that? I'm forgetting the members' names. What was her name again? No! Yours character. Huh? Yeah. Oops. When I'm gonna be loud. Ooh, no, I shall not get distracted. I'm gonna be Laura from Cancer. Dang. Don't mind my grandmother gossiping in the back. My grandmother is so psycho. Just kidding. Ooh, this is not for good. Look at me. Look at me. Baby two times. Wait, I want to be a zoo. I hear. Hello, yes. Wait, I'm gonna be Azure. I'm gonna be Azure. Why did you change it to Laura? Oh no, it's not Laura. Wait. Wait, can you tell? Let me tell her to. Wait. Wait, can you turn into baby two times? Wait. Lila. Yes, I wanna crack a very not funny joke. Wait, yeah. Hi, Pink. Manoon. Wait, I think it's Manoon. I'm sorry if it's wrong. Manoj? No, Manoon. I hope it's Manoon. I'm very sorry if it's not her. I keep on forgetting their names. Wait, I'm not playing chess. Oh, two times. What do you mean, okay? What do you mean, okay? Wait. What do you mean, okay? Oh, dang. Dang. Wait, I'm just gonna shut this off now or else my storage will be crying. My storage is like 92% full anyways. Wait, hey! Hey!